What's going on, guys? Welcome to the Colton Rock Reviews. We are going to review a Copper Chef pot, pan, whatever the hell, today. And there will be a link in the description below. Go ahead and click the subscribe button and like this video. We haven't used it yet or unwrapped it at all, so this is the first time we're going to use it. And I'm Colton, by the way. This is
Caitlin. What?
So, we're going to go ahead and unwrap it, see if it works. We're going to cook an egg on it, see if it actually sticks. You know, or doesn't stick. According to the Copper Chef reviews.
That's not non-stick. It's not non-stick. This sticker stuck to the thing.
Oh my god, there was tape on the back of it.
Stove on. I said pan on.
You going to turn the pan on?
Uh-huh.
So, we just turned the stove on. Not going to take very long to heat up. This is supposed to have a very good heating system on the bottom. It's supposed to be even.
Oh, I feel it already. I have to move your hand around.
Yeah. I'm making it hotter by doing that.
Gotta make this perfect.
Well,
Now we wait.
now wait a little bit for it to get hotter. You'll see.
See these shirts? Better buy one.
These are custom business shirts. It's getting there. Sunny side up, scrambled. What you want? What you want, Kate?
Just
Sunny side up?
yeah.
Alright. I don't even know how to do that, but we're going to do it. I understand that's the
Ew,
sunny
there's a
side.
bubble.
So?
I know, but look at it.
Well, it's cooking pretty even.
And fast.
It's all white. Yeah? Look how it slides around in there.
Oh!
Okay.
Oh my gosh! That don't stick for crap.
That's cool.
You almost made it come out of the pan.
I know. That's awesome.
You just splattered that egg.
just
I know,
splattered it
right?
everywhere, yeah. But it works pretty well.
Now it's not.
Well, let it cook though.
Let it cook a little.
So as you can see, we didn't put anything in the pan. No butter, non-stick spray, nothing. And you saw how it slid around. Like it was ice skating.
It was ice skating.
It was egg skating.
Wow. You gotta keep it on there, dude.
I think I might have done messed it up.
Probably.
I was splatting it everywhere.
See,
Another one?
We didn't use butter flavored cooking spray or butter. Okay. It's don't stick.
Alright, so we let the pan cool off, cook the eggs in it, and then we let it cool off. I'm just gonna check and see if it's anything sticking to it. All these little pieces of egg are actually coming off pretty easily.
Yeah.
So I assume this is actually pretty easy to wash since it's a non-stick formula.
Hopefully. Lord.
Like I said, we never used it before. That was the first time, so. But cools off pretty quick. I mean, it's only been like 5 minutes.
Yeah.
It's already completely cooled off, so. Good. Alright, guys. Thanks for watching the Copper Chef review. Remember, there's a link in the description below, and it'll take you directly to the Copper Chef. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Remember, this is Kate, and I'm Colt.